Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shashank Shetty. So after almost a week, I'm walking down. So I have already finished the parking lot and there are no vehicles over there. So अभी और नीचे चल के जाना है. तो टोटल 7 किलोमीटर मैं अभी 3.5-4 चल चुका हूँ और 2-3 किलोमीटर चलने हैं. आज का प्लान है विल गो आउट. आई मेड सम न्यू फ्रेंड्स, अ कपल अखिल एंड अनगा, और उनके साथ मिलके विल गो आउट समवेयर. उन्होंने कोई गाड़ी बुक की हुई है, सो दे इनवाइटेड मी. होपफुली विल हैव अ गुड डे. चीयर्स, मोर लेटर. Hey guys, I'm Shashank. Akhil.
Anagha.
Sir, आपका नाम?
रोहित.
So we are on a trip today. So it will be Laol, और रोहित जी हमको बहुत कुछ बताने वाले हैं. रोहित जी क्या क्या बताएंगे, बताइए.
यहाँ से सलांग वैली चलेंगे, फिर अटल टनल है.
हाँ जी.
और उसके बाद शीशु आ गया आपका.
हाँ जी.
लेक है वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा.
बिल्कुल.
उसके बाद हम केलोंग निकलेंगे.
हाँ जी.
केलोंग से पहले एक नदी आती है चंद्रभागा.
चंद्रभागा.
वो ऊपर की ओर चलती है.
बिल्कुल. So that's a long day, and hopefully we'll finish everything by the evening, and we'll go back to Manali. And the plan is to have a perfect evening, maybe music or something else, and let's see how it goes later. Say bye, guys. Yay, Anaga. Say hi. Show some excitement, yeah. Come on. Bye. Later.
Yeah.
Done a pit stop over here.
Yeah, first big stop.
Yeah. See.
You can see the snow on this side and the dry patch on the other side. That's the beauty of this.
Exactly. So we are on the highway. This goes directly to this
Ladakh?
place. Yeah, directly to Ladakh, Leh, Srinagar, everything. And we are on our way. First pit stop. Cheers. More later. So we are going on the streets of Kelong.
Yeah, finally we are in Keelong. Just to find that it's the last village, I believe.
And there is no monastery here that we can find.
There's one small one.
The small itsy
there's a
bitsy one.
Small one, very small.
So yeah, this is the streets are decent. The streets are small and
Small,
the
but
old
it's
ones.
cold also, it's good.
Yeah, exactly. So not much as a tourist destination as such, but it's a decent, very quiet, very quaint village.
Yeah.
That's what it is. And this is the end of Kelong. Let's see. Next stop.
Lots of snow behind this.
Yeah.
Lots of snow
That we
behind.
can see. Yes.
Yeah, that is the
Always
snow.
there.
That's the snow. And we see this dried old snow over here also. But not what we expected. Let's see. Next destination would be better, I suppose. So the place you see behind me is actually a merger of two rivers. यहाँ पे दो नदियाँ मिल रही हैं. This is the one which is coming from Tandi, and that's the one. I think this is Byas, which is coming all the way from Manali. We have just come parallel to this one, and that's where it's meeting up. And it goes, supposedly this goes all the way to Pakistan and then turns to Chenab River. I'm not sure, but yeah, I think it's the first time I'm seeing a amalgamation of rivers. More later. So that is the new Atal tunnel which is being done. That's the green one. And this is a very cold place. Extremely cold place. We are just right next to the snow. So we just go and explore a little bit, take a few photographs before we head on to Sisu, where we'll have a lunch. It is it's already 3:30, and we'll go there and have some lunch later. Snow. Oh, glad to you mentioned the obvious. Say something. Don't say snow again.
What do you say? We are in the middle of some
Mountains, snow-capped mountains.
Yep.
Right? Oh,
first bite was a success.
This is good, man. This is really good.
Cafe 1947.
Good morning, guys. So after I came back from Kilong yesterday, there's no point in going back to the cottage, which was a hour's hike. So I stayed put, and the idea was to go to Setan, but that has been cancelled now. I'm not going to Setan. I have booked myself into this place called Zostel. It's an amazing place. It's a typical youth hostel from the Europe, and it's amazing. This is the first time I'm staying with these guys, and I'm really liking it so far. Idea is to stay back, do some work. I have to finish a lot of work, so I finished the work and made some new friends over here. So maybe I'll hang out in one of the cafes in the afternoon, and maybe by evening also, because today is a weekend. Today is officially Friday the 13th. So yeah, so we will just check out a few hostels and a few cafes in this area, and we'll go. So that's the place. And if you see on the second floor, that one is my room. So it's a dorm style of setup. So it's an amazing place, and I'm loving it. More later. Bye. He's doing this for all the autumn leaves to fall down, because it's exactly over the tables. So that's the funny thing. Hey guys, after having cold showers for 2 weeks now, oh man, the hot shower in Zostel. Oh, it was such a big relief. I did not feel like getting out of the shower. It was hot water. Oh, it was amazing. I can easily pay the room rent, the room tariff of like $550 only for the shower. It is that good. It felt amazing. I'm feeling fresh. Wow, and I'm gonna have more of these sessions, bath sessions, till I'm here. So I'm here for the next couple of days, hopefully, and I hope the bath continues later. This was the first time in my life that I celebrated Diwali with complete strangers. Though I miss my family and friends a lot, but this was a very unique experience. So this is Diwali Eve. It's the 14th of November, and we are doing a pub crawl. This is our first destination. It's called the what's it called?
Secret River.
It's called the Secret River, and we're just having starters over here, and we intend to go to at least 3-4.
Yep.
Yeah, at least 3-4. It's like 7:30 in the evening. We have the whole night to go, and we cover a lot of space. It's a lively place. Morena, bye bye.
See, this is the second one, Lazy Dog. We are here for the drinks. Just to drink and sit in the stomach a bit so that we can go for the next one.
Yeah. So it's a long night, and we just finished one of the things, and the second one called Lazy Dog.
We are already full.
She's full and he's a little bit full. Yeah. So don't worry, we'll have a long night and we'll just go slow with it. So we're just going slow. We have a long night, just 7:30. It's 8:30 now. So number 2 is done. So we've reached our pit stop number 3. Which one is it?
Drifters.
That was the choice. Drifters was a choice, and it's a good place, a decent place.
Good music. And the first time for us,
This kind of chair. This kind of chair.
Bamboo
what
chairs.
kind of chair? Yeah, the bamboo chair.
Chair is a bit different from what we usually see.
Yeah, it's a good ambience, and liking it. I would not mind coming here in the daytime. It will be more brighter. Yeah, but it's a good place. So stop number 3, and hopefully the last one, because some people are busy, some people are tired and not hungry anymore. So, but still, yeah, it's almost 10. So hopefully everything will be closed down very soon. So we'll call it a night after this. Bye guys. Bye. Later. Good morning guys. Yeah, the day has started. So today's plan is actually going to Rimba, Vashisht and Manu. And the remaining day we'll just hog. We'll eat a lot. So that's our number 1. We have come to a place, breakfast, yes.
so we'll be having aloo parota, puri bhaji, chole bhatura, whatever we could find.
Yeah. So that is number 1, and hopefully this is not the last. Let's see how the day progresses. Cheers. So the next pit stop after the breakfast is the Vashisht temple. I've never been here, so this is that's the temple behind me, and
The weather is super awesome. There's no sun.
Breezy, it's cold,
Freezing.
it's
Yeah.
cloudy.
exactly, there's no sun. Yeah.
We are expecting a rain or a snow.
Absolutely correct. But any which ways, the place, and this place has the hot spring. So let's see. I've anyways had a bath. You guys haven't
Yeah.
had a bath, so you guys can have a bath. But yeah, let's go and check it out. So we are at the third stop for the day. It's the Hidimba temple. I've come here a few times before, but every time it's different, and every time it has a different weather conditions. So that's where we are. Oi.
It's freezing.
Yeah,
It's actually good weather.
The weather has changed a lot. It is getting, but anyways, we are in a high altitude right now. Hidimba is in the top of Old Manali, so it is a little cold. Hopefully, it gets better when we come down to the local Manali Mall Road. Cheers. Next pit stop, Il Forno Pizzeria. But we're not having any pizzas because we're not very hungry.
We just
What
had
we-
some hot chocolate, soup, and
Honey, ginger,
honey
lemon
ginger
tea.
lemon tea.
Exactly. So that was our
Second?
between breakfast and lunch sort of a seating. We just like the place, so we want to come and try it out. So that's why that's what happened. So it's a good place.
It's a good place. You can see the valley. You can see it, and there's at least 10 feet difference between the next people who are sitting
Yeah,
over here.
exactly. So that's the place. That's
Good
what we're
ambience.
looking at. Amazing ambience. Yeah. Made up. So we were really hungry, and that's why couldn't take the video before it. But we finished our lunch in the place called
Corner house.
Corner House. It's at the corner, of course, of Mall Road. So yeah, so we finished a lavish lunch, and we're full
These are the
now.
leftovers.
Yeah, we are full now. I don't want to show you the spoiled plates, but yeah, we are happy, and we'll just take a stroll now. The whole day is remaining. It's 4 o'clock, so the evening is there. We'll take a stroll, we'll buy a few things, and Anaga wants to buy kutti things. So she'll buy kutti things, and I'll buy bigger things. So let's see how it goes. Cheers. Bye-bye. What we are getting is snowfall. Look at that. It is snowfall happening. It's not rain, it's snow.
Magic fairy tale movie है. Magic related movie है.
It's snowing outside. And we're playing.
The magician. Magician.
ब्लेजर
Magic.
कौन पहनता है?
अरे ये वाली मूवी है वो नोलन ने लिया है।
जादू
ऋतिक रोशन की कौन सी मैजिक करता है तू?
डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज डॉक्टर
Good morning, guys. So this is what I'm waking up to. That's a perfect start of the day. It's very cold, but it's snowing after all. I woke up to this, and yeah, I'm all set up. Bags packed. About to go back to Haripur and Soil Village. So the weather is just amazing. It's not too cold. It's not biting cold. But snow. So who cares? Good start of the day. So this is the beauty of a solo trip. You get to meet so many people from different parts of the world, different walks of life, and you get to spend some time with them. You get a peek into their lives, how they are, what they are. Though this is a one-off unplanned meeting, but what you leave with are memories to cherish and a hope to meet again.